Hello, I'm Lynda Cromar. I wanted to give you a little heads up. I'm in my Facebook fan page, and of course, I spend a lot of time in Facebook. Now, here's one thing I want to point out to you. I haven't even gotten back to a whole bunch of people that have responded to me for the business that I'm involved with. And one major thing that is so very, very important is more than once, unfortunately, I have gotten blocked out of Facebook for a period of time. And what makes it so very important here is that you want to be in a place where that is not going to hurt your business. Now, how do you do that? How do you do that? So many people are just posting and posting and posting all over Facebook. And you know what? They give you, when you ask, they give you the direct link to their MLM. Most of them are MLMs and some of them are affiliates. But let's be honest here. How do you figure out how those people are actually going to be part of your business or not, or if they even actually looked at it? You need to have a way to bring them to you so that they build a relationship with you and they're more likely to follow you. Now, I have several different ways that I do that. We have a little starter program for $25 called Enviralizer. And I just got paid. That's why it shows 0 here, because I just got paid today. They pay every Monday. And I'm not going to show you my great big downline, but I have a lot of people in this downline here that have said yes. Now, here is an important thing that a lot of people don't realize. I used to be in Wake Up Now, and one of the things that happened was that they closed their doors. And if I just used my referral link from Wake Up Now to invite people to see that business, I would not have the almost 1,000 contacts that I now have in our Power Lead system, which I promote heavily. I use Power Lead system as my capture page, as my contact database, as my autoresponder. And yes, I use a Weber too, but I want you to understand something, that unless you're capturing these people's names and emails in a place other than just directly into an MLM, you have no control over those individuals that you have talked to, even though you've spent time building a relationship with them. And that is a key thing that often they do not tell you in the MLMs. So the Wake Up Now, guess what? I got an email from somebody that's selling that list. And my name is probably on that list. And I'm going to get phone calls from somebody that bought my name, because anybody that did not know to use a capture page first lost big time, because their list is not their list if you give them just the direct MLM link, which is what these companies teach. They don't teach you to actually have a capture page where they go to a separate place where you can truly actually build a relationship with them, where you can email them, where you can talk to them, where you can create special pages just for them. You are not going to have that opportunity if you just send it to an MLM directly. And I think a lot of people are not getting that. Even people that are actually serious marketers are not necessarily getting that. They are sending people, if I go down through this speed, I'm going to find people that are just saying, here's my link, go join. Here's my link, go buy my product. And in Facebook, more and more that's happening. It's happening in LinkedIn. It's happening in all of the social medias. And the problem is that how do you gauge how well you're doing if they're not showing up somewhere where you can find out and where you can communicate with them, like I can do here. I have 974 leads in here, and it's about to break over into 1,000. And I have almost that many in Aweber. And I'm doing that because I'm using a capture page first. Now, people don't necessarily like to add their name to a capture page. You got to give them some value. But if you really truly want to seriously understand how to build a list instead of just giving it away to somebody that's going to sell it to someone else. Really, I got an email that says, I'm on that list and I'm going to be sold to somebody. And I'm going to get a whole bunch of messages from people that think that I'm interested in looking at their business because they got my name, because they believe they own that list of people that belonged to Wake Up Now. I'm not going to be in that list ever again because of the fact that I am not going to do anything directly to a link for joining until they become part of my personal list first. And I am asking you to realize that in this day and age, you simply have to do that. If you want a better life and you want to have more control over your business. Your business is not yours when it goes to the MLM, and and it doesn't matter what company you're talking about. It doesn't matter if it's health and wellness. It doesn't matter if it's a blogging company. It doesn't matter if it's a travel company. It absolutely doesn't matter. What matters is to learn to build the list first, independent of whatever company you're in, first. And then, after that, even with this little $25 program, which I will fill this up with money again this week because a whole bunch of people want this, but I'm sending them to a capture page first. I'm not giving them the referral link that's inside of this first. I'm giving them a capture page first. And whether they come to an MLM or whether they come to an affiliate program, it just doesn't matter. You still have the same concept. Get them to a capture page so that you get their information on your own personal list. We are drilling that in our VIP group, and we want you to win. Finally, in 2015, we want you to win. And this is like one of the ads. And you might notice, what am I doing here? I'm making them come back and talk to me. I'm making them ask. And then they're getting a capture page. That's the difference. You are seriously going to have to realize that when you just give them your affiliate link that's directly created by whatever company, doesn't matter, even the ones that I'm using, I'm not giving them the direct affiliate link because then I have no way of knowing whether or not they even looked. I have a bunch of people to get back with that probably didn't even opt in, and that's the other part. They may not opt in. But would you rather have them not opt in than for them to opt in just to the MLM or the affiliate company, and you get no benefit of whether or not they join you or not? You don't even know. You don't have any way to gauge it, and you're totally out of luck. So I recommend that you change that behavior, and I can help you do that. You want to now think of yourself as the you Inc., and they are going to come to you first. They're going to come to you before they go to any company, no matter what it is. And I can help you do that. I can help you set up a better structure that truly makes it so that you build your own business and not an MLM that could sell your list later, and you have nothing to show for all of that time and effort that you put in. So let's change that routine in 2015. Contact me, and I have the answers for you.